Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth not working on any iPhone. I'm using the iPhone XS, but it's the same thing for an iPhone 12, 11, whatever. So if you go on your settings and your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is grayed out and you just can't access it, there's a few things that you can actually do to fix that. And the first thing is going over down to General on your iPhone, and you want to click on the software update, and you want to make sure that there's an update for your iPhone. Right now I'm running iOS 14.3 and I have no issues with it. Chances are for you, maybe there's a firmware update, maybe it's a glitch on for your phone that Apple are aware of that they're fixing. So you want to make sure that your iPhone is always up to date because of that. Another thing you can actually do is actually update your phone from your computer. So you want to go on your computer, connect it via the cable, and update it from iTunes. You can do it on a Mac or on a Windows PC. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you want to see more videos just like this, or if you have any questions whatsoever. See you in the next video. Bye.